What kind of flowers do bacteria like? Germ-aniums, obviously. So welcome and thank you all for coming. It's such a packed house tonight. We love seeing all of your very smiling and very curious faces. Hopefully full of food and drink the entire night. Keep it coming. So welcome to the Post Doc Pub Talk series. So this is run and the speakers are postdoctoral researchers, or postdocs for short. So as a general group, we're all scientists working at Weill Cornell, doing research and getting the training we need before we dive fully into our lifelong science careers. But individually, the research that we do can be incredibly different. So the idea behind this event series is to share a bit of ourselves as researchers, but mostly just people nerding out about real issues that are of interest to all of us, and we hope to bridge the gap between scientists and science curious. So as far as the structure of the event, we have two brilliant speakers, and they'll share with us their research and a bit about why they research what they do and how they do it. And then they'll answer a few questions, but we'll have a break in between the two of them for you guys to discuss, to ask some questions, to get some more food and drinks. So that's the general structure. So per usual, you should have some Post-it notes and pens on your tables, and those are for you to write down any questions, write down any notes that you might have, questions that you want to ask. Really whatever you want. And in addition to that, I think we've been handing out little surveys, and actually it's conveniently on the screen right now. So this is just, we're collecting a little bit of information. It's really helpful to us if you guys fill that out. And as some additional motivation in addition to our eternal gratitude, you should see a number on the top. So if you just tear that number off and keep it, we'll pull a number randomly at the halftime, and that person will win a drink on us, on the postdocs. So please fill those out. Okay, so our topic for tonight is all things immunology. Immunology is the study of the immune system in both healthy and diseased states. It includes the study of how the body fights infections, including coronavirus, and the development of medical interventions to treat and prevent diseases such as autoimmunity, allergy, and cancer. The study of immunology is critical for health and survival. It's at the cutting edge of medical science. Recent notable healthcare advances including vaccinations and cancer immunotherapies. Can I get a But the immune system is incredibly complex, so there's a lot more to find out about it. So enter our fantastic researchers and speakers for tonight. And so first up, we have Talia Mota. And so Talia did she got her bachelor's in science from the University of California at Davis. She got her master's in public health from the University of Melbourne in Australia, and also her PhD from Melbourne. And after that, she joined the Division of Infectious Diseases at Weill Cornell Medicine as a postdoc, where she studies the biological mechanisms in cells infected with HIV, as well as other cells capable of attacking infected cells in her search to help discover a cure for HIV. In addition, she writes sci-fi in her spare time, which is so awesome. And she's incorporated that into the theme of her talk, so I'm sure it will be out of this world.